Imagine a place where gravity is king. It's so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. This is a black hole, a region in space where matter is squeezed into an incredibly small space. Black holes are invisible to our eyes, but their immense gravity betrays their presence. Black holes are not empty holes. They are objects packed with an enormous amount of matter. This matter is crammed into a tiny area, creating an object of unimaginable density. Think of it like crushing a mountain into a grain of sand. Because black holes are invisible, we can only detect them indirectly. We look for the effects of their gravity on nearby stars and gas. For example, if a star is orbiting a black hole, we can see the star being pulled around by the black hole's intense gravity. Black holes are born from the death throes of massive stars. When a star much larger than our sun runs out of fuel, it can no longer support its own weight. The core collapses in on itself, creating a supernova explosion. This explosion is so powerful that it can outshine an entire galaxy. If the star's core is massive enough, the collapse continues even after the supernova. The gravity becomes so strong that it crushes the core into an infinitely small point called a singularity. This singularity is the heart of a black hole. Not all stars become black holes. Our own sun, for example, is too small. When it reaches the end of its life, it will expand into a red giant and then shrink into a white dwarf. Only the most massive stars have the potential to form black holes. Black holes are not cosmic vacuum cleaners. They don't suck up everything around them. In fact, if our sun were replaced by a black hole of the same mass, Earth's orbit wouldn't change at all. We would just feel the same gravitational pull, but from a much smaller and darker object. However, objects that get too close to a black hole can be affected by its gravity in extreme ways. This region around a black hole is called the event horizon. Once something crosses the event horizon, it can never escape, not even light. Black holes can also merge with each other. When two black holes collide, they create ripples in space-time called gravitational waves. These waves travel at the speed of light and can be detected on Earth using sensitive instruments. The good news is that black holes are not on a rampage through the universe. They are relatively rare objects, and the chances of a black hole coming close enough to Earth to pose a threat are incredibly slim. If a black hole did approach Earth, the consequences would be catastrophic. The immense gravity would cause tidal forces stretching our planet like a piece of chewing gum. The Earth would be ripped apart long before it even reached the event horizon. While black holes are fascinating objects, they are also a stark reminder of the power and mystery of the universe. They challenge our understanding of physics and inspire us to explore the cosmos further.